Good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Friday, April Fool's Day, April 1st. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. This is the trade that I took yesterday, and you can see this is exactly what it did. I hopped out way up here, and you know what? Something I'm really trying to get a hang of is, well, trying to get a hold of, is learning how to manage these trades and execute them to completion, right? So I knew it was getting down to this 27% level. I knew at least that. And I knew there was a chance it could actually make it down here. But I exited the trade as I thought, okay, huge rejections right here, a push up. I held it through all this shit. Oh, I'm sorry. Came down here. I held it after I seen all these rejections right here. And if you come down to the 5-minute chart, just to show you what I was seeing. I seen it come up, I entered my trade, come down, and it was sitting down here for a minute, right? Like, you got to think about it. This is at 8:15, held it through all of this till about 9:15, and that's usually, I got to give myself a little bit of credit. I don't usually hold my trades that long. Usually I would have taken it out when it came up here, like, fuck it, I'm going to try and make something. But I held through it all, and at one point I was up about $600, right through all this. And then it pushed up. I was up about $100. Actually went into the negative a little bit on my bottom position, and held it through. And then it came down. And as soon as it was coming down here, I don't know why I exited the trade. I just wanted to secure my profits. Got worried it would bounce back up again. And as you could see, it came actually all the way back up again, but returned back down. 227 pips, and I only caught 62 of them. So that was the issue with that. But now what I'm seeing, it's kind of hard for me to say, hard for me to tell. But let's just go from the most recent high to the most recent low. Something like this. You can see right here, there's like a clear rejection level right here. Let's see if there's anything. So this ILC was being respected a lot yesterday. Sorry, I finished I got through some of my trade journal. Not all of it though. So you can see the respect that was shown right here, right? Support, support, support. And now that same level is being used or that same buy ILC is now being used as a rejection area, right? So I'm going to just turn this green for the sake of 50% area. Let's see here. So I'm hoping we could get a possible, I don't really see anything right here necessarily. I'm sure there is something right here like on the 5-minute chart, but I'm not sure I want to even touch anything. One of the things that I do see is right here. Now let's break it down to the 5-minute, see if there's anything up above. Because really what this does look like is a bear flag. So you can see here, we got that. Or I don't know if it's called a flag or a pennant. But it's a bear formation, right? So it already fell off. So we have these lower lows, lower highs. Obviously, it's not breaking structure yet. I think really for it to break structure, now it would have to break up. Actually, let's just call it. I think it has to break above that, and I think we're going to continue down still. So we can see that it's the bullish pennant right there. Still see it happening. We have a clean ILC inside of this area, right? So let's just call it for what it is, right? So this was this ILC before. Now let's get it here. We know its respect is being shown right here. Boom. Just to make it easier, right? Respected the 50% ILC. And then we have this one up here, which is the golden zone ILC. I like this one a lot. We'll see if we can get a trade off, a sell off. And turn this red actually. Yeah, I know I gotta clean up my charts. I'm gonna finish my trade journal from yesterday, and then I have to do last Friday's trade journal still. But then I'm about to clean up the whole shit, so let's see. So today was NFP as well, and that's essentially what happened right here, I believe. This is 5:30. Yeah, 5:30 right here. So as soon as 5:30 hit, you could obviously see a bunch of rejections for about, what, 4:50 to 5:30. So about 40 minutes, we just seen a bunch of clear rejections at this area, including these ones earlier. And then it fell off at NFP, and now it's making its move down. So we have this set up, right? And then if we were to do something like this, because I honestly see this happening too. In this area right here, ILC inside of an ILC. You can see at some point, resistance, 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 support, resistance, resistance, support, 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 resistance, support. So this is a clean R2S area right here. So I'm going to change the color on this one too, because, right, just from this area, we had it as somewhat as a R2S2, but this is an ILC right here, right? I'm a 15 and 5. So these are all key areas for me. I like it. So we could actually see a retracement just up here and fall down, but we'll see what the market gives us at this time. You know, we're about 8 minutes from open. These are the 3 levels of interest that I have. We'll see if it just breaks through here, comes and respects this again, or comes up to this 62% IOC and comes down. We shall see. But I like these two, specifically this one. So we have our trend line, right? It's being used to support, comes back up along with the 50 EMA, along with the trend line, along with the ILC, along with the R2S. We got a bunch of confirmations to take this sell off right here. So it'd be something like this. This trade, yeah, I think, you know, we got to take it here like 45 pips. And I think we could still see a push down. Maybe here, you know, I think it's possible to come down here. But remember, this right here is all based off of this ILC. We could see it actually come down here. If we go to the 15 minute, this is the ILC that I kind of like right here. Alright.
Happy April Fool's Day.
Happy April Fool's Day. You gotta go to sleep though, it's really early, okay? Go lay down with mom and your brother. This is my chapstick. I love it. Burt's beeswax. Okay. Go lay down, baby. I love you. You slept in your bed all by yourself all night. Big girl stuff right there. Big girl stuff. So this was a key 50% sell-off ILC, right? So I could see it actually coming down to that, at least a 61%, right? So let's say it just comes down here, right? 87 pips. It's not the best risk reward, but I like this area right here. Let's just call it this. 1 to 2.68. I think it's a good trade. I think it's a solid trade to come down at the bullish pennant. And if not, if we don't see this push through and we have another retrace up here, then we'd have a smaller ILC, probably something like this, 20 pips. And then we could re-enter if it pushes through, stops us out. And now we're looking at a great trade, right? 1 to 5. So we'll see what it gives us, you know what I mean? There's a lot of things happening right here in this area that could show us a push down from here. But we'll see. We've got about 5 minutes till open. Let's see what it gives us. Take a look at this shit. I really like this area right here. I think it could come back up and use this as resistance and come back down. But we'll see right now. You know, this shit's a risk. We're having a good week though, so I don't want to risk too much today, just because the week has been good. I want to stay above a certain number, so I'm only gonna risk probably about 300 bucks today. Um, 300 today, so I can stay above this number for the week. And it's the beginning of the month, but it's still a week for me too. Um, yeah, we had to be truthful, man. I think we had the best cycle of my trading career. So, well, actually, I don't think I know. We had the best cycle of my trading career, and the good thing is it's all documented. We all got it pushed up right here on the YouTube live stream. So make sure to run through these videos. I mean, I only have 50 subscribers. Really only one person watches, but I got $1 million worth of game in these videos, man. I shit you not, for free. You know what I mean? Just show some love and support. But that's probably my proudest moment, my best 3 month stretch of trading, and it's all documented. So, and this month we're actually going to get back to the trade breakdown videos. I noticed I had a lot of YouTube was giving me a lot of push before with the trade breakdown videos, doing 2 a day. So I'm going to move back to that structure. Move back to that structure and algorithm of really just 2 videos a day. And yeah, I think that'll help everybody too, kind of simplify and compress these 45-minute, 30, 45-hour long videos to 10 minutes. I think that'd be a lot better with a real explanation. So we'll see. It looks like it is going to come back into our zone. We'll see how far it does. Right, we have this little support area being formed right here, pushing back up. We've got about 2 minutes till open. I'm going to get my screen set up right here. Yeah, I'm a thread. Alright, so got the 15 set up. I'm going to put the 1 minute right here so you guys can see the 1 minute. And you can see what it's doing right here on the 1 minute, right? It's rejecting the 50 EMA right here. Get the 5 minute set up too. Alright, I'm gonna actually draw out the if the trade doesn't come up here and it just keeps flying down, I'll probably just leave it at that. You don't want to overtrade, really. Like, one thing that I've done a few times that I still need to get better at is so that's the 5 minute 50 EMA. 5 minute 50. Okay, we'll just go lay down and we'll have a good breakfast, okay? Got about a minute till open. See what this thing gives us. And here's the 5 minute 50 EMA right here. Right there. Trend line 5 minute 50. I think there's a lot of things that can show us that it's going to push down from here. So we'll see exactly what it gives us. Get this MT4 ready. I'll get the credit I deserve. And one thing we got to look out for is this IMG right here. So price does have to fill all the IMGs at some point. Might not do it today or right now, but it could. Damn, if it just keeps pushing down, probably just walk away. I don't want to start trading shit that I don't know. And when I say I don't know, just you don't want to put a sell in right here, right? Because that could happen. You see that reversal back up, starts fucking with your mental. You start jumping in and out of trades, and you don't want to do that. I've been there before. You put a sell in because you think it's coming down, then it wicks up, and you put a buy, or you take a $50 loss, then you put a buy in because you think it's gonna push up, then it starts pushing down, you take a $70 loss, and that shit'll get you. So that's what it's doing right here, is getting a bunch of people. And you don't have to be a rookie to be stuck up in that situation, trust me. You know, you don't have to catch everything. There it goes, looks like it's done. Let's see. We can see the sellers are definitely in the market, right? So I think a lot of people know that it's a sell-off. But we'll see. We'll see if it continues down. Yeah. Shit, might have missed the trade, dog. I think there's a lot of sellers in the market right now. But, you know, we can see a switch up. See these wicks wicking out. Starting to pull itself up. We still got about 15 seconds left, right? And now look what it's doing. It's making its way up. Shit, I was just caught in a situation like this like last week. Ooh, it's got some push there. Let's see. I haven't put nothing in yet. Damn, nice wick out. Let's see. Okay. Still a lot of time left. I haven't put nothing yet. I haven't put nothing yet. It still has a little bit of force, you know, pulling it to the upside right now. Like that. Kind of slowing. No, it's not slowing down. That thing's pushing. Right here's a key level. This is the ILC where I like right here. Like that rejection. I haven't put nothing in yet. Give me a second. You can see there's a little bit of force right here pushing it up, so alright, I just put a trade in right now. Damn, might have done it too early, because well, let me just tell you where I'm in at. I'm in at a 29.40, so let's see if it can get a real push down. I'm in at 29.40 on MT4. Like that. We still got about 20 seconds left, and it could reverse on us. If it finishes engulfing this candle, I really like that. How many seconds we got? About 5 seconds. I like that. I just put another sell in right now too. This is important though. If it rejects this, then we're in trouble, right? Because it's going to reverse and push back up. It has to break through this motherfucker right here. It has to break through it. Let's go. Let's go. You see, yeah, it really hasn't broken through it, right? Like it has the force, but I think I'm going to move. My second position is at 20 exactly. Let's see if we can hold this force down. Alright. Shit. It's not really holding it down, but let's see if it could stay that way. Got about 15 seconds left. If the next one can push through, because we know this is a strong area of interest, right? Look at support, 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 rejections with more support. So let's see if it can push through. Let's go, man. We're in this bitch. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go, man. Oh, that's a big rejection. I was up about 580 right now, and now I'm up 310. But I'm gonna stay true to this shit. It's hopefully I'm gonna move my stops to break even. We're gonna do that for sure. It could definitely reject right here and go against us. Let's fucking go, man. See if it can hold this shit. Damn. That's not good. That's not good at all. Wow. I should have just pulled that motherfucker. But let's see, man. I mean, I'm still holding on. We'll see if it continues down, but if it pushes up from here, it pushes up from here. You know what I mean? Hopefully it could get some force back down. If it comes back down to 875, might just pull my trade, but we'll see. Alright. Damn. It's rejecting that shit. The support level. Look at that. Huge rejections, right? Let's see if it can hold this shit, man. Because it really could just reverse on us completely. And that would suck, but, you know, it's part of the market. And if you like your profits, we're up a good amount, right? We're up about 30 pips. At one point, we're up about 50 pips. So, I mean, it really just depends on you and what you're comfortable with. We're in profit, right? So, how many? This is off. I'm up about 40. Oh, yeah, that's about right. All right. See if we can continue this push down. I'm being real stubborn right here. I think I should just pull this bitch. Damn, I fucked up. That's crazy. Our only hope is this right here. This is our only hope right here. This is our only hope right here. Is that it rejects that and pushes back down. Now I'm only up about 140, 120. Oh. Come on, man. Stay down. Come on, stay down. Stay down. Come on. Still a lot of time. It can still reverse on us, but let's see. Fuck. Come on, man. Push, push, push. And really, the main reason I'm still holding on, the main reason I'm still holding on some hope, damn, but that ain't good, is it broke this low right here, right? And this low broke this low. It's the only reason I'm still holding on to some hope right here. But let's see, man. Wow, still rejecting that motherfucker. Man, at some point we gotta listen, right? Wow. Trying to stay faithful, trying to be patient, trying to stay down on this shit. Doesn't look good on the 5-minute, necessarily. Got about 20 seconds. I'm hoping it could get a push down. If this candle could finish like bearish, a full bearish candle right here, we're in fucking business. But if it stays up here, it's still rejection wicks, right? Let's see if it could come down and finish right here. Just like that. Just like that. Let's fucking go, man. Wow. Still pushing up. Come on, man. Just get down that motherfucker. Let's go. Let's go, man. 250. 291. Wow. That's a $557 day. I probably pulled it way too early, but that's 10 minutes of trading, and we're done. Call live. Let's fucking go, man. I'm probably gonna regret it again, but I'm a scalper, homie, and fuck it. We had a great week, dog. Great fucking week. I mean, in terms of dollar amount, I still got a lot to work on as a trader, but I'm trying to master my craft, and I'm a scalper. So at the end of the day, that's what I'm on. Let's fucking go, man. I hope you guys were able to hop on. Was anybody on here? Let me see. Yo, Johnny, were you able to catch this trade? Thank you, thank you. Were you able to hop on? And that's really why I pulled it, because I seen all this, but it still looks like it's gonna come down, right? But I just wanted to pull it right here at the 27%, get in, get out, and leave it like that. And that's why, truthfully, hell yeah, let's go, man. Truthfully, that's why I kind of like to hop on the charts about 15, 20 minutes before, because I think when I have too much time pre-New York, I start overthinking shit. And right here, I'm able to just call it out, see what's what, boom, boom, boom. Okay, I can see it doing this. I like this. This is where I see the confirmations, blah, 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 blah. But, yeah, I think we hit big right here, right? So, I mean, there ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's go, man. I'm sure this shit's probably going to go about 120 pips, 130 pips. It'll probably make it down to the 27% from the big fib, but we'll see. We'll see. Man, I mean, fuck it, dog. We got in and got out in 10 minutes. That you can't be mad at that shit. Let's go, man. $500 day. Got in, got out. Probably got out, or I know I got out way too early, but this is a we thing, man. This isn't just a me thing. Let's go. Yeah, that was a clean trade, bro. I'll take that. Good shit, man. I appreciate you for hopping on with me all week. We got 500 on April Fool's Day. Caught 68 pips on April Fool's Day. Can't be mad at that. So, appreciate it, man. And we'll get together on Monday, and we'll get it cracking again. There's a good start to cycle 2. You know what I mean? So, quarter 2. And let's get it, man. Have a good one, bro. Fucking go, man. The fuck I'm talking about.